fix you with a real Coldplay feel, capo 3, anchored pinky technique. Firstly guys, don't forget, we use a capo on this one and it's going to go on to number 3. Just make sure that that lines up nicely on there. There we go, just make sure that sounds good. Nice. So let's have a little look at this guys. So we've got a C shape, and what we're going to do is we're going to add the pinky on the last string down. Now this is relative to your capo, so it would be number 3 on there, and you'll get the Coldplay sound, just like that look. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the ring finger off and we're going to move the middle finger onto fret 2 on the A string, like this. And that will create your second chord. And then for the third chord, literally all you're going to do is move your middle finger down a string onto the D string, same fret, number 2, and again, you've got the next chord there. And then all you do is go back to the previous chord, so move it back up. Now we've got the verse. Let's have a little listen to how that sounds. Lovely that guys, really nice sound. If you have watched our strumming video guys, you'll know that the rhythm 3 that's on there is actually this rhythm. So this is what it will sound like as we play it. So what you can say if you are new to this rhythm, you can say 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. Let's slow that down. 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. And that makes up the verse and the intro for Fix You. Let's have a little look at the chorus, guys. Now, for this is your F major 7 shape, but I add the bass with my thumb on the F, capo relative of course, which makes this sound. Now for that, what we've got is, we've got a 1 on the E string, with the thumb. We have got the ring finger on the A string, which is on fret 3, and then we've got the pinky finger on fret 3 as well on the D string, and then we've got the middle finger on fret 2 on the G string, and then we've got the index finger on fret 1 on the B string, and then we can leave that last one open, which creates that drony sound again, like Coldplay use, as we've mentioned before. Now what we do, we're going to do a G add 11 here. Now basically, essentially, it's a G chord, but you're doing a sort of C shape. That's how I explain it to myself. So if you're doing a C here, all you do is move those 2 fingers, the middle finger and ring finger up, and then add that pinky again to bring that Coldplay sound back to it. And that creates that. So you should have a 3, a 2, a 0, 0, 1, and a 3. So how does it sound if we go from the verse to the chorus? Let's have a little look at that. Back to this verse. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's lesson, thank you so much for tuning in. You can join us on Patreon, where we're going to go further into this, and we're actually going to add the bridge part on as well, and we're going to look at the chords that are involved in that section. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you really enjoyed it, so thank you.